80% of men start getting bald at a very early age, and that's one of the most crucial problems. It can be because a person has a medical condition, disease, hormonal changes in the body, physical or mental cause, and that affects everything. And when it comes to relationship, men feel demotivated and insecure that they are bald, and women won't love them. So to find the solution, I went out to get answers that what they has to say about bald men.
It depends upon the looks. It doesn't mean that all the bald guys look that bad or something. Because I've seen guys, some of them they do look good.
Honestly speaking, that his head is more brighter than my future. Okay, jokes apart, I feel bald guys are cute and interesting.
I see. From my thinking, I think I don't like first of all bald guy because I like beard and hairy person.
I don't even know. Why have you cut your hair off? So, I don't know, sometimes maybe they look a bit scary.
Okay.
Bald men.
Yeah.
I don't know. I haven't seen too many bald men, but I don't think of them differently.
Okay.
Yeah.
Depends on his personality. On some people, this looks good, but on some people, it makes them look very funny.
Sometimes yes it is because I find Hashim Amla, he's a South African cricketer and I find him quite attractive.
On some faces, like it looks.
On some people, it suits, and
It suits.
on some, it doesn't.
It doesn't. Okay.
Like Ranveer Singh in Bajirao. Yes. Depends on the personality. As I said, a guy who's tall with like a nice body, then yeah. Especially on dark guys.
Sometimes, if apart from the fact that he is bald, if he has a good physique and if he is smart, so yeah, the baldness doesn't matter.
A wig? I'm joking. I don't know. I don't think it matters as long as they're a nice person. They can have hair or not. I don't really mind.
Okay.
Yeah. So, like I said, I think Indian men are pretty hairy. So I haven't really seen many bald men. But what can bald men do? They could wear a hat.
Grow a beard definitely, and have mustaches and broad shoulders, nice height.
Maybe start gymming, have a good body, have a nice personality. A guy who's tall and has a good personality, maybe this look would suit him more.
Probably they can just tattoo their head.
I feel they should let it be because once you respect yourself, others will respect. So I feel that is the thing. You need to accept yourself first if you want to be accepted by others.
No, I might. I don't have a problem with someone having this.
No, I haven't dated any bald guy, but in future, if that bald guy is having all those qualities of ideal guy, so yeah, I will think of dating him.
Because coming in relation he's losing now, so my reaction will be okay because he's my lover, of course, no problem. He's my lover, I'll still date him.
Frankly, it would affect our relationship. I would ask him to take measures to control this disease of his, and if he's unable to, then fine, okay. Matter of age and time, everything is going to go. So it's fine.
I think it wouldn't affect me, and I'll not react to it much because until and unless he loves me to the infinity and everything, so yeah, his baldness won't matter to me.
Oh, I don't care as long as we have a laugh.
Okay.
Doesn't matter to me. No. I have personally experienced this. My reaction was normal because it was suiting on him, according
Okay.
to me.
And I'm in love with him and not his hair.
Hairs.
Exactly, that's what I would say.
That's what.
Okay.
Oh my god, that will look very good.
It would look sexy.
Yeah, definitely.
I like it.
Beard. It's not necessary that everyone should have a beard or something like that. Without beard, it's a guy looks good. Yeah, it's fine, totally fine. Because I've seen guys, they look really good without a beard, without a hair, or something like that.
In England, that was fashionable, a big beard.
Big beard.
Do you know, at the moment, England it's really fashionable to actually have a bald head and a massive beard.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's fashion at the moment, yeah.
Of course, yes. It depends on the way you speak to a girl, and it doesn't mean that each and every guy is. Most of them need something different, something special.
See, depends on the person you are. If you're a nice person, then yes, why not? Yeah, sure, why not? Yeah. Because you believe in yourself.
Okay.
And you're not insecure of your physical. Yeah.
No, I completely agree to what you say.
Okay.
This is something natural, so you cannot help it out.
Right.
If I have to look out for something, that would be personality and the nature. Nothing to do with physical.
Physical.
appearance. It doesn't matter
I
for
think
me.
respecting yourself is more important, and it is more appealing than being, like not like accepting yourself and respecting yourself. This will make people respect you. That's more important, I think.
Yeah. और जब आप खुद को रिस्पेक्ट दोगे तभी आप सामने वाले को
Exactly.
भी रिस्पेक्ट दे पाओगे.